Folks, it's time for me to tackle one of the most thrilling and exciting tasks in automotive repair, the infamous brake job. That loud, grinding sound of metal against metal every time I stop is not exactly music to my ears, and being shook to death by the rotor warp isn't exactly ideal either. So today I'm going to be doing a brake job. Now let me preface this by saying I'm a carpenter and not a master mechanic. In fact, normally I hate working on cars, but today is a perfect weather and I ain't got nothing better to do. If you're not very familiar with cars, you probably think brakes are way more complicated than they actually are, when in fact, they are probably one of the easiest parts to work on. So easy, this idiot can do it. Whether or not I should is debatable. Yes, that is a recalled Harbor Freight jack that I need to return. If you don't have a pry bar like this, I'd recommend you buy one. They're surprisingly useful. One benefit of owning a beater is having two different size bolts, like here, so you've got to look for two different size sockets instead of just one. If you're wondering, this vehicle is a Suzuki Grand Vitara, not a particularly common vehicle in the United States for some reason, but it does have a surprising amount of power and seems pretty reliable overall. Pretty sure they're not supposed to look like that. A little bit of California cancer spray to get rid of the factory oil coating. Well, that's not good. Guess I should have bought the rebuild kit. Guess I'll go to Tractor Supply instead and gain some anti-seize for the time being. Much better. Now, just to put this junk back together again. There's always something satisfying about putting on new parts, even though you know they'll be covered in rust within a few weeks anyways. And now for some YouTube recommended music while I do the other side. This is Dan, and thank you for watching The Chaotic Craftsman.